Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. The best internet resources about how to build a charcoal wood barbecue smoker. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to build a charcoal wood barbecue smoker is 1967208.r.msn.com. Specifically the page titled Wood Barbecue Smoker Sale, up to 70% off wood barbecue smoker. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site 0.r.msn.com, especially the page Build Barbecue Smoker, great deals on Build Barbecue Smoker. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 0.r.msn.com. The web page Barbecue Smoker WILLIAMS-SONOMA.com. Here's the link.